Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to the visitor center of Abu Simbl. Originally, the two temples side here. Look at this. Look, the great temple of Ramses II here, okay, which moved from original side after Mr. President Jamal Abdel Nasser. He built a high dam, Nasser Lake. This is the water of Nasser Lake. Nasser Lake covered most of the Nubian temples, or we can say the temples on the side of the Nubian side in the south, between and the high dam building until 320 kilometers south of the high dam. Look at this. This is the new side. You look at this. Here, after they succeeded, UNESCO, with the helping of the different countries, they succeeded to help us to move the temples after they built the screen wall or the screen dam and the bomb in the water, and to move away to another new side. After they built the false mountain on the top of the building, then the two temples here, this temple of Ramses II and his favorite wife, the Queen Nefertari's temple, okay. Then the two temples south of Aswan, about 280 kilometers from Aswan. Then this is the visitor center of Abu Simbl side, or Abu Simbl temple. And here we have some pictures to show us the steps, how the Egyptologists, they succeeded to cut and to give a numbers of pieces to move away from the original side, underwater now, about 60 meters underwater, and to move to another new side after that. Look at this. Here, the statues of Ramses II, the four statues, one of them which damaged here, look at this, damaged with the earthquake. Then here, this is the picture for the two temples, okay? This is for the new side, of course. Ramses II temple and Nefertari's temple. This is the pictures to show us how they cut it. How they cut the two temples from the original side to move to the new side and to build the false mountain on the top of it. Then the idea here of this visitor center, to show any visitors the idea of the rescue of the temples, of the two temples, of Ramses II temple and Nefertari's temple. This is the planning of Ramses II temple, the great temple, inside. This is the sanctuary, the Holy of the Holies, which we have here inside. We have four statues for Ra Horakhti, and Ramses II, he himself looks like the god Ra, and also Amun-Ra and the god Beta. And the rays of the sun will enter inside the temple two times, 21st February and 21st October. Now, after we succeeded to rescue the temples, and the days changed to 22nd February and 22nd October, okay? Then here the side rooms, what used to be at the storerooms, historics for the same temple. Look at this. Then here, this is the small temple of Nefertari. Then the planning of this is the great one of Ramses II, okay? And the four statues for Ramses, the height of each one 20 meters height. And over there, the statues of Nefertari, small temple of Nefertari. When you visit here to see how we rescued the temple between 1964 1968. Thank you very much.